4. Living and non-living things. Warm up. Look at the picture below. Write the names of any 4 nations. The world we live in is very beautiful. There are many things around us. When you go for a walk, you see the sky, trees, animals, stones, hills, rivers, vehicles, people, buildings, and many more things. Some of them, like the sky, hills, rivers, clouds, etc., exist in nature. They are called natural things. Things like bridges, buildings, vehicles, roads, etc. are made by man. These are called man-made things. Man-made things do not have life. Can we say same about natural things? Plants, animals, and human beings have life. They are living. Whereas the sky, hills, rivers, and clouds are non-living. Living things differ from non-living things in many ways. Activity. Can you identify the living and non-living things in this picture? Circle the living things green and non-living things red. Living things move. All living things can move. Man and animals like the cow, dog, and cat can walk or run. Birds fly, fishes swim, snakes crawl, frogs hop or jump. Animals move with their limbs, wings, fin, or body. Living things move in search of food. They move because they have life. Green plants can make their own food. Therefore, they do not go places in search of food. However, plants also show movement. The sunflower turns towards the sun. The leaves of the touch-me-not curl up and close when we touch them. However, does a chair move by itself? No, we have to move it. Living things grow. All living things grow. They grow and change their shape and size as they get older. After a certain period of time, they die. A baby plant grows into a tree. A kitten grows into a cat. A baby grows into a little boy or a girl and then grows to become a man or a woman. Have you seen your pencil box or school bag growing? No, these things do not grow. They are non-living things. Living things need food. All living things need food to live. Food helps living things to grow. Plants prepare their own food using air, water, and sunlight. Animals depend on plants for their food. Animals get their food from plants or other animals. Non-living things do not need food or water. Living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. We breathe through our nose. Animals like dogs, cats, cows, etc. also breathe through their nose. Animals like butterflies, mosquitoes, and grasshoppers have air holes on their body for breathing. Fish live in water. They breathe with their gills. Plants breathe through tiny holes called stomata present in their leaves. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things feel. What do you do when you touch something hot? You take your hand away immediately. You do so because you can feel. We all feel hot in summer and cold in winters. In a similar way, animals and plants can also feel. For example, a dog wags its tail when you pat it. If insects see the light, they fly towards it. Plants also feel changes around them. All plants can feel the presence of sunlight and water. Do your toy cry if you drop them by mistake? No, they don't. They are non-living, so they cannot feel. Living things reproduce. All living things like man, animals, and plants produce living things like themselves. It is called reproduction. Humans reproduce by giving birth to babies. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to babies. Plants reproduce through seeds or other parts. Non-living things do not reproduce. Round up. Things made by man are called man-made things. Living things differ from non-living things. Living things include humans, animals, and plants. Living things breathe, need food and water, move on their own, grow, reproduce, and feel, while non-living things do not.